In this video we'll look at the features of NocoDB tables, alternative to Google Sheets. And also we will set up the giveaway of a gift when buying from a certain amount using a table. This bot will consist of the following commands. In the start command, the bot will update the user's information and enter it into the table. It will also send a text block with a button to proceed to payment. After a successful payment, the user will be taken to a command that will notify them of the successful payment and direct them to a condition. In the condition, we will create two rules. The first rule will check for the user's presence in the table and previous payment. If the check passes, the user will be directed to the command with a gift. The second rule will also check for the user's presence in the table and no previous payment. If the check is passed, the user will be directed to the command without a gift. And the exclude rule, a row with the user's data will be created and then the command without gift will be sent. Let's move on to the creation of this bot. But first, we need to create a Telegram bot and connect it to the Puzzlebot service. You can find detailed instructions at the link in the description. In the previous video, we have already connected our bot to NocoDB tables. You can find it at the link in the description. Let's go to our bot. And let's select the Constructor tab. Expand the start command. At this stage, we need to update the row in the table, so that the user's data is up to date. To do this, let's add the update row action. Let's select our database and the table. Let's click on the Add Or button. In the search column, let's select user ID. The format of the value is text. In the type of condition, we'll leave full match and insert the necessary variable. In the recording column, we will enter the corresponding variables. Now let's add a text block and offer the user to buy our course. Let's add an inline keyboard. Give a name to the button. Let's select the action payment. We will also enter the name of the payment and choose the currency. Let's enter the required value and write the name of the future command that will be sent upon successful payment. Now we need to create a condition that will check the paid amount. And if the amount matches the condition, the bot will send a gift to the user. First of all, let's create two usual commands. One with a gift and one without it. Give a name to the first command. Add a text block and fill it in. Let's add a second usual command. We'll also add a text block and fill it in. Let's move on to creating the condition. First, let's add a row check. Let's specify our base and table. Then, click on the Add Or button. In the column to search for, let's select user ID. The format of the value is text. We'll leave full match. And let's insert the user ID text variable. Let's add another filter. Select the column with amount paid. In the value format, we'll select a number. And in the expression, we'll select greater than or equal to. Let's enter our number. In the action tab, choose Update Row. Let's select our database and the table in it. Add a filter. In the column to search for, let's select User ID. The value format is text. Condition type full match. And let's insert our variable user ID text. In the record, let's add variables for the strings with the username and user ID. In the paid amount, let's select Add. And we will enter a number. Also, let's add the action send comment or condition. And enter the comment name gift. Thus, after the payment, the user's data in the table will be updated. And then in the column paid amount will be added the specified number. If the user has already paid before, he will be directed to the comment with a gift. Let's add a second rule that will lead the user to the comment without a gift. Add a row check. Let's enter the name of the base and table. Let's create a filter for a full variable match, as we did in the previous rule. Let's add another filter. In the column to search for, let's select amount paid. The format of the value is a number. In the expression, let's select less. And let's enter our number. Add the update row action. Select a database and table. Let's add a filter to search by username variable. And add the corresponding variables to the records. In the paid amount column, select Add and enter our number. Add the action send comment or condition. And we'll type in the name of our comment without a gift. In the exclusion rule, let's add the action create row. We'll enter the name of our base and table. Also, let's enter the appropriate variable to record. In the amount paid column, we will enter the required number. Let's also add the action send comment or condition. And we will write the name of our comment. Let's return to the comment with a successful payment. Let's add the jump to comment or condition action. Then add the name of our condition. Also add a text block and write that the payment was successful. Let's save and publish the changes. We will check the work in Telegram. Send the start comment. Click on the button with the payment. Make a payment. The bot informs us that the payment was successful, and we are one purchase away from a gift. Let's pay again. Great, we got a gift for the repeated payment. Thus, we have considered the possibility of NocoDB tables. And we have also configured the giveaway of a gift for a purchase from a certain amount using a table.